Sometimes when you solve an equation, it's not as straightforward as you think, because the answer could be either all real numbers or no solution. So let's look at this example right here. You'll notice that when I distribute the 2 in, I'm going to get 10 minus 8a, and on the left I had 8a plus 10, and you'll notice that these are the same thing. When I try to solve for a by moving this over to the other side by adding 8a, what happens to this 8a? It also cancels. When that happens, you have one of two possibilities. Either you have no solution or you have all real numbers. So you have to be careful. Notice for this one, what happens to my equation when I cancel those out? 10 equals 10, and is that true? Yeah, 10 equals 10 is true. So this one is going to be all real numbers, not no solution. And why all real numbers? Well, take any number you want. Does a equal 4 solve this equation? When I plug 4 in here, what do I get? I get negative 32 plus 10, which is negative 22, equals, what's this? Negative 16. 5 minus 16 is negative 11. Negative 11 times 2 is negative 22. And negative 22 equals negative 22. That's a true statement. It doesn't matter what I plug in for a in here and here, it's always going to be a true statement, because those are going to cancel out, and because this left side's always because the left side is equal to the right side. What if my question had said this? Negative 8a plus 10 equals 3 times 2a minus 5. 2a minus 4, let's say. Now in this case, when I distribute 3 in, I get 6a minus 12. And when I go to simplify that, whoops, I made a mistake. I wanted that to be a 4. So I've got 8a minus 16, negative 8a. Holy cow, I'm making major mistakes here. Let me restart this whole problem here. I wanted to get the same original problem. So that was, let me look it up here. That was 2 times, instead of 5, I'm going to write 4. I'm going to write 3 here, let's say. Now when I distribute this 2 in, I'm going to get 6 minus 8a equals negative 8a plus 10. And now when I try to add 8a to both sides, it's going to cancel out the 8a's on both sides. And I'm going to get the equation 10 equals 6. And this is never true. 10 can never equal 6. So this side can never equal this side, which means there is no solution. So when you have a problem like this where the two sides are the same equation, basically, that means all real solutions is the answer. But when the two sides, when all the variables cancel out and you get a false statement, your answer is no solution, because there's no way to make the left side and the right side equal each other by picking a value for a.